Yawning is oddly contagious, and no one's 100% sure why. One theory says yawning is like an internal fan. It cools down your brain. Another claims we're boosting oxygen intake so we don't doze off during that boring Zoom call. But the best part, it's social. Seeing or even hearing about yawns can trigger your own, like a weird group exercise in empathy. Some folks think dogs yawn in sync with their owners because they're bonding. Seriously, man's best friend, right? So, next time you're in a crowded room and someone does the big O face, don't fight it. You might end up yawning anyway. It's your body's way of staying alert, feeling connected, or just telling you, time for a nap, buddy. Subscribe for more quick science facts, if you're still awake, that is.